Hey there, friends. Happy Saturday to you. I am working on a new little book called The Blossoming of Patricia the Lest by Lyda Larimore. And I have my spine sewn into the book. I have my signature sewn in, sorry. And I'm starting to go through the book and embellish it with a ton of super neat ephemera. I wanted to show some of this to you guys. These are vintage postcards, vintage envelopes. This is a letter that I just think is incredible. It is so fragile. This is a pocket piece. Treasurer's Office from the state of Maine. Another letter here that is not quite so chippy that's dated 1889 from the Burlington and Missouri River Railroad in Nebraska. Some awesome images. I'm so blessed to have this and so blessed to be able to pass some of these items along to you guys in these ephemera journals. But this morning when I was putting this together, I did not want to put washi tape on the pockets because it just did not match the journal. I am pretty sure that everybody knows about this but me, but I wanted to create some sort of custom washi, and what I did was took some, I think this is 1/2 inch double stick tape, and I put it on I stuck it to a vintage dictionary page, and then I cut it out. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that everybody knows about this but me, but it was like, hey, I like that because I can kind of customize washi tapes and make my washis super vintage as well, since I'm working in these vintage journals. The Blossoming of Patricia the Lest was written in 1924. I love the cover on this book. So I just peeled the backing off the off of the double stick tape, and now I'm ready to put it onto my pocket. And you can see how neat Frito it looks. Yes, I said neat Frito because I like it. Alright, this one can go right here. It just looks so neat. I really do love it. Just another little vintage touch to these journals that I will be putting in the shop hopefully a little later on today or maybe tomorrow. So Patricia the Lest and I say hello and happy Saturday. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you'll try this. I'm sure you probably already have. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.